Hey guys, so as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be reviewing a bad wig, and this was my initial reaction with this wig. One thing that I do want to point out is that the company, I reached out to them because they gave me the wig for free and they wanted me to give their wig a great review, a 5-star review on Amazon, because that is where I purchased it from. But I will not be shouting out the name of the company because I don't want to give them a bad name, because at this point the company has told me that they do want to give me more wigs in the future, and they want to make sure that they get the wigs right. So they are trying to continue to work with me and everything. So of course I don't really want to slander their name. I did do the review for them, but because they seen that my review for them was a 3-star rather than a 5-star, they actually told me to take it down, and they will work on it so then they can get better with it. And they enjoyed my honesty, so they will want to continue to work with me. So that is just a little update, because you guys will hear that I will mention about the update and everything. So this is pretty much the update. They want to continue to work with me. But guys, I had to be honest and I had to be truthful when it came to this wig, because when I give my reviews, I don't sugarcoat nothing. So anyway, let's get into this review. Now, I know you guys are probably thinking to yourselves, man, girl, you looking really rough. What have you been going through? Well, I'm going to be doing another wig review for you guys. I have another headband wig. This one was actually sent to me complimentary through a company, and they wanted me to try it out. So I'm pretty much trying out this headband wig, and I wanted to, show you guys me doing this as well. And I thought, why not film it while I review it? So yeah, but before we get into this video, please be sure to subscribe. That way you guys are a part of my journey, and that way you guys can grow with me. And be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you guys are notified as to when I upload new videos. So yeah, guys, I have, Meek Mill braids on underneath this. This is what the packaging of it looks like. Yeah, so I have my Meeks in or whatever, and I just don't want you guys seeing my business, okay? My Meeks look very rough because I've had them in practically this entire week from Sunday. So, and yeah, I just don't want you guys in my business and seeing my Meeks. But here's what the bag looks like. It says happy every day. Once again, another cute little bag, has a little woman on it with a lot of hair. So yes, a nice little bag to keep your headband wig in, which is something that I love. And before we even get into all that, let me go ahead and give you guys the facts on this wig. So it is from the, I don't even know how to pronounce this. It is a 24-inch copper red headband wig. So this is the first time that I'm gonna be really doing like a color like this. This is like ginger kind of hair. So yeah, they didn't have brown and all that when I was shopping for it, which I was so irritated because after, when I looked back, they had it. But I was like, well, this is good because I've never tried like color like this. I did blonde and I did that one time, but I do want to switch up and start doing a lot more different colors. This is a synthetic heat resistant wig. It's glueless because it's a headband wig, so it's glueless. The pricing on it was $26.99. So the hair is 24 inches. And the texture of it is a loose wave, so it does have like a little bit of a wave hair texture to it. Okay, so the hair comes in about 4 to 5 different colors. It comes in like brownish, brunettish kind of color. It comes in blonde, pink, the red color that I have. Actually, it comes in 6 different colors. So 1B, 60, 23, 12, 350, 68, and 15. So this one that I have here is in the color 350. So yeah, that's pretty much like a little bit of info on the hair. And depending on what color and what color of the hair that you guys get, it will run you about $25.99 to $26.99. So it really just depends on which style you chose. So now that we are done giving all of the little facts and everything, let's go ahead and pull this baby out. Okay. Now guys, from the from the picture, I already don't like the color of the headband or what type of headband they have. I'm not here for that. So much like the other headband wig, it comes in this net as well as in a bag. It comes with one headband. It came with this red, white, and blue headband, which I don't know why it would come with a red, white, and blue headband. This is not even cute. And then it also came with these stocking caps here. And these ones are actually the darker brown stocking caps. I've never really had any stocking caps this color, but it will actually be good because it will go with the color of the hair. And this is about the color of the hair and about the length of the hair as well. So that's really, really cool and cute. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this stocking cap just because I was hiding my meeks underneath this. So let me go ahead and put on my other stocking cap, the ones that they gave me, and then we'll jump right back into this. Okay guys, so I am back and I have the stocking cap on and everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start trying on the wig. So this is what it's looking like without the net on it. That's a really pretty color. I tried not to wear anything too crazy as far as clothes because I knew the hair was going to be a lot. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and see the inside of this wig and everything. So much like the other wig, this one does have a comb, but this one only has one comb, and that's one comb in the front of the wig. It doesn't have any other combs. It does have an adjustable strap, so then you can go ahead and strap the back of it and everything on. So that's really, really good, just in case you have a bigger head or something, or a smaller head. So that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and already strap in the adjustable straps and everything so it can kind of be a little more secured when I throw it onto my head, okay? Alright guys, so I'm going to now go ahead and put this wig on. Oh my god, what the fuck was I doing? Okay. Okay. I might have tied the straps on too hard or too tight. So I guess I thought I had a tiny head when I know I got a big ass head, but alright guys, so this is how it is on, much like the other one. One thing that I do want you guys to know is that the Velcro on it is just about the same. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to go ahead and get this thing onto my head, and as soon as it's put on my head and I have it a little bit more tame, I'm gonna come back to you guys. Okay guys, so I'm back. Sorry that the lighting is changing and things like that. It's getting darker and darker, so of course the wig does not look too natural now. I've got to make it look more natural. I just wanted to show you guys what the wig is looking like. That's how far the wig goes down on me. I just wanted to show you guys what it's looking like before I really get into it and everything. So I'm gonna actually brush it out. Guys, I'm going to definitely do a review on how I feel about this wig and everything as well. So the color is really pretty. I'm not gonna lie, like the color is really, really pretty. I like that. Guys, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I don't care what these people think, but already I can tell I don't really like it. For one, there's a couple things that I just do not like. So, for one, at the top of the hair, it's really like frayed and dry. I might have to like blur out their, or block out their name and stuff, because I mentioned their name earlier in the video. I'm probably gonna block that out. Sorry guys, I have like a piece of this hair on my face. Like, the color is really pretty. I feel like if the color, like, I could do something with the color. Like, the color, I don't know if it looks good on me, but I think that the thing that's just really throwing me off is the headband. And I know that if I tried to put the ugly little headband they put on, like, guys, I hate to drag them, but I'm sorry. They wanted me to do a review, and I have to be honest. Like, this is not good quality hair, guys. I have to be freaking honest. But I'm just gonna keep going through because I want to be goofy. I want to be goofy at this point, y'all. So you guys know from the last headband review, I don't do it the way that they usually do it. I mean, the headband could be cute, just not with this color hair. Like, they could have given me another type of headband for it. But, let's see. Like, I don't even think I'm gonna... And then the hair is so thin, guys. Like, it's not even thick hair. Like, the hair is very, very thin. I don't like that about it. I look like I'm going on a fucking country world tour or something. Am I going on a country world tour? This is a mess, guys. And like, okay, so let me, like, I don't know, like, a part of me doesn't even feel like showing baby hairs. This is how the model had it on the fucking thing. Like, this is so... I mean, I feel like if I would have gotten it in more of a natural color, it wouldn't have looked so bad. I mean, that don't look too bad, I guess. Who am I kidding, y'all? But this is the hair, y'all. This is the hair. I just feel like it's too thin for me. It's shedding a ton. Every time I run my hands through it, it's shedding. And it's barely any hair here. So there's not gonna be any hair left at all if it keeps shedding at this rate. So let me go ahead and show you guys the back so you guys can see what the back is giving, which is probably on bald right now because this shit is shedding like crazy. Okay, so that's what the back's giving. So let's try to make this look not so bad. And yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to make this look cute. All right guys, so update on me trying to make this hair look cute. It's hard, okay? Because here's the thing. I'm trying to put this in a ponytail so then it can look cute and do like half up, half down. But the thing is, every time I try to separate the hair, it tangles. And then on top of that, there's barely any hair to work with, and then you can see tracks every time you try to part the hair and things like that. Like my other hair, it was 150 density, like 150% density. So it was thick hair. This hair, I don't even think it's 100% density. Like, this is not thick at all. And it's like, I'm trying to run my fingers through it and my hands are getting caught. Like, look at this shit. I can't even run my hands through this hair. So it's really, really not that good of hair. Like, I don't even know if I could do the review for them on Amazon because I'm not going to sit here and lie and tell people, oh yeah, buy this hair. And the thing is, you know, if you bought this hair, you're not gonna be satisfied, you know? So I can't, like, look at right now. Like, right now I'm just running my hands through the I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a wad of hair that I've got in my hand. So yeah, like luckily I didn't purchase this hair and they just gave it to me, but even still, you know, I can't do a review for them on this hair. Like, I mean, they can come for me later if they want to, but I can't do a review on hair like this when, like, I'm not going to be honest. That's the thing. Like, I cannot be honest with them and say, hey, you know, this is good hair and blah, 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 blah. Like, I cannot do that because I would be lying, and I don't even know how to break it to them. But I'm not going to sit here and lie and say that your hair is good when it's not. Like right now, if I even try to return this, by the time that I return this, they'll be given a big ball of hair because, you know, there's no way that they'll even have hair left in it or whatever. So I don't even know if they want it back, but like I said, the color could be really, really pretty. Like, I feel like this color could be really, really pretty on. It's just, it would have, like, my whole vision of this was to do like a whole up and down do. Like, guys, like the principle of it, of what I was doing, like when I was doing it in the bathroom earlier. Ugh, you see how hard it is for me to separate the hair though? Like, but my vision, my vision was to do something like that. And I just feel like it would have looked cute. And then to have like this, you know, like something like that, like, and usually with headband wigs, you can style it in multiple different ways. Like, I don't know, maybe if you put it in a side bun to the side, like a side ponytail to the side, that don't look too bad, you know, I guess. But like I said, I can't give them a 5-star review. I can't do it for them. I would be lying if I did that for them on Amazon. And I would hate for people to come for me and say, damn, bitch, like, you know, we thought that you were going to be honest. Like, you know, I can't. You know, I can't associate myself with a company and lie just so they could get some business. Like, if anything, they didn't even pay me for this. They just sent me a free product, and the product was ass. So, I don't know. I'm definitely still going to post this video. If they try to sue me or some shit about this, then it is what it is. But I mean, you can't sue me for putting, you know, just saying the truth about what your product is, you know, like, I don't know. I mean, I'll give them a review. It just probably won't be a 5-star review. Because I can't lie for them. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna see what happens. I'll maybe give you guys the update or something in another video. I don't know. But, like, maybe I'll give the update at the end of this video. I don't know. But I just, like I said, I cannot lie for them. Okay, guys, I am done rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and go. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go. Alright, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this very honest review. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Please be sure to follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be listed in the description box down below, as well as in the outro, and I'll have them here on the screen. Alright, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!